Good morning and welcome to my channel. This is Vitrust. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you will be updated to my upcoming videos. Alright, today we're going to talk about how to place ads manually on Studio Beta since we will no longer be using the classic version. So YouTube already notified that by the end of March, Classic will be removed permanently. So today we're going to discuss or do a tutorial on how to place ads on Studio Beta. Alright, let's go ahead. First things first, we need to go to our channel. Alright, go to YouTube channel, and then you will go to your channel. All right, then after that all you need to do is click the YouTube studio. All right, so that's it. You will see your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Then just go to videos. Okay, so once you are on videos, you need to look or select the video that you want to place more ads. Okay, as what I said earlier, you can only place more than one ad if your video is more than 10 minutes. So let's do it. All right, so let's try on live, since my live sometimes take an hour or so. So let's go ahead and do that one. Okay, so I have here a sample. Let's do this video here. So all you need to do is click the details or this pen right here. So you just click it and it will show the full details of your video. So on the left corner you have details, analytics, editor, comments, subtitles, and of course monetization. So this is the Studio Classic, as what I mentioned earlier. So it will be permanently deleted by end of March. Okay, so let's proceed to monetization. Just click monetization, and then it will show you monetization is already on. Then the type of ads I have: overlay, sponsored, skippable, and non-skippable. So after that you will see place manual. So I can click also after video. All right, but the main purpose here is we need to place ads. So let's go ahead to place manually. Click the place manually word. It's already in blue. There you will see the ad breaks. All right, so you see that handsome guy right there. All right, so let's go ahead and click ad break. So you need to put your cursor here to choose what time would you like to place your ads. Since I already put more ads here, so let's try on the over 1 hour. Right, so let's try 1 hour and 30 minutes. All you need to do is click ad break, then it will show you an option, add start time. All you need to do is put 1 and 30. So that's 1 hour and 30 minutes. It will put ads in there. All right, so as simple as it is, you can select more than one. Of course, if you got only a 15-minute video, don't put a lot of ads in there. You can only put at least 3 ads or so to maximize your video. Of course, a revenue is higher. All right, so then after that, all you need to do is click continue. So just click on continue. All right, so it will show you the previous page, meaning you have already placed that ads. But don't forget to save, of course, because everything that you've done will not take effect if you haven't saved your process. Okay, so you need to click on save and wait for it. Once it's grayed out, meaning it's already done. So that's it, as simple as it is. I hope that this video helped you a lot on how to place ads manually on your videos. Okay, good luck to your channel and let's keep going. You have a great day.